Hi, I'm Kip from kiphegs.com, and a very nice man from DHL has dropped this off to me. What is it? I will show you. I've not actually opened it yet, so it might not be what I was expecting, but I think it might be. We'll see. Ooh, it's from Revolut. Can you see? So, what this is, hopefully this will work. There we go. That is the Revolut Gold Card. Let me do a close-up of it. How cool is that? Yeah, it's literally just arrived. I think they were only released on Monday and today is Wednesday. So it does go to show just how quickly they can get a brand new card to you. And oh my God, it looks amazing. See, obviously back in the day when I was growing up, a gold card was for very, very rich and wonderful people. And I'm neither, but as a Revolut customer on the metal plan, which I think is $12.99 a month, you too can be in the gold card elite. That's it. I love how they present the stuff in the sort of the box, and that is just a really nice card. I can't really show you the back because it's got the number on and I can't be bothered with doing blurring out. That's a lot of effort. So yes, this is a Revolut Gold Card, and I'm very happy to be one of the first people in the UK to have one. I can add this gold card into my collection where I've got a standard black metal card. I do love these cards. They're so nice. They're like, they just feel a bit special. If you hand one over, people are a bit like, just feel a little bit more premium. So I think they do a rose gold coloured one. I'm not a massive fan of rose gold, so I haven't got one. And also you are only allowed 2 metal cards on your account at once at the moment. But there you go. So that is the Revolut Gold Card, and I've got a sign up link somewhere. I'll put it on the screen and I'll put it in the comments. And if you sign up via that, Revolut give me a small financial reward. I want to be as transparent as possible with that. So yeah, if you sign up with Revolut via that link, you're helping yourself out because Revolut is awesome, and also you're helping me out, just giving me a little bit of money. Surely this video is worth it. Okay, probably not this video because it's been done very quickly and with no real planning, as you could probably tell. But you know, you've probably seen some of my other videos and they might be worth a few quid, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, that is the Revolut Gold Card, and yeah, I'll probably do a bit of writing about Revolut in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll be back soon with some more better organised and hopefully better filmed vlogging fun. But for now, that's it. See ya.